Hi, Tina! Pronunciation workout. On Saturday, I went to the sea to see what I could see. I saw a baby seal looking right at me. I bent down to pet it as it smiled at me. Then my sister came up behind me and pushed me into the sea. I went to the thrift store down the street from my house. They had a sale on thread, bath soap, Thousand Island dressing, thermometers, thermoses, and all kinds of thingamabobs. I ended up spending 3,333 yen in there. Listening to Lisa laugh at Leo's joke about the lemon in a lime pie eating contest was funnier than actual joke itself. Her laugh was ridiculously contagious and really hard to resist. Everybody rolled in laughter and Josh could not stop laughing. Bye, Tina!